Take a deep breath in, sleep. Deep, deep. Now take a deep breath in and sleep deeper. Take a deep breath in, sleep. What's your name? What's your name? It's gone. Yeah, okay, that's good. That's good. Now look in my eye and push. 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 Put all the strength. Yeah, that's right. That's right.
One, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
You have 11 fingers.
No.
Your hand is completely glued to your head. Your hand is completely, totally glued. Nobody in this world can detach it. Right? You can. How was that?
Oh. When I saw your eyes, and then I just said deeper, deeper, and I just went.